Okay, I am going to now move to the last part of this series, and it's all about understanding how to activate your Kundalini power. Now, there are few things that you need to understand before you move into the Mantra Siddhi part. Uh, One thing that you need to understand is that before moving here, you need to get your mind and your thoughts in place, and that is the reason we require and we should have knowledge about scriptures, especially scriptures like Gita, which talks about your duties. So your duties, your responsibility, your role in the world should not bog you down or should not create trouble for you while you move on to the spiritual journey. So to understand the role and not to overdo or underdo your duties in this world, you need to understand and read the scriptures and the examples given in Gita, Mahabharata and Ramayana, and also Puran. So uh, for to understand about how things came into existence, what is the default path for the world, a reading of Puran becomes important. So you can read Shiv Mahapuran or Vishnu Mahapuran or any other for that matter. Once you are calm, once your mind is a little trained and clean to understand and absorb the divine concepts, then you have to focus on four mantra that I am talking about. The first is Ganesh mantra. Now, as you know, that root chakra, uh, which lies at the down, which is the Mooladhara chakra, it plays an important role because it's where the activation would start. You cannot start top down; you have to start bottom up. So that will happen with Ganesh mantra. The next step is to connect to the all-pervading energy of God, which is Gayatri mantra, and then the most powerful mantra that could help you to attain immortality will be Mahamrityunjay mantra, and a mantra that you should chant each second, every time, every moment is the Panchakshari mantra. So these are the four mantra that you can use to awaken your Kundalini. Now, there are few things that are not being told, but powers like six sets or invoking all those uh, divine weapons that you see are possible only when your Kundalini is active, because you are going to use the all-pervading energy, which is not in this dimension probably, to create disturbances into this dimension. So once you have that energy flowing and once you have control over that energy, you can then move into the next level. So there are some important mantra of Ganesh that you should know. Gayatri mantra is therefore one of the most important mantra. Mrityunjay mantra should be the last step. So it is said that Mrityunjay mantra is going to help you activate your third eye and crown. And Gayatri mantra and Ganesh mantra is going to help you activate your root and solar plexus. So moving up, you can then move on, and at the end you can focus on the Mrityunjay mantra. So this is the one aspect of how to use the power of mantra and mix it with the right thoughts and emotion to activate your antennas. Now, importance of timing, place, mala, and asan are something that will help you expedite the process. So, in that if you chant these mantra in morning at 4 a.m., which is called the Brahma Muhurt, or when there are Sarvat Siddhi Yoga and Amrit Siddhi Yoga, you can probably check the calendar, or Pradosh, or any other auspicious moment. You should use that time to magnify the effect of all mantra, and the place and mala, which is one way to count the number of times, and the asana, the thing that you are sitting. All these things should be fixed. Timing should be fixed as recommended. And there are different malas that you can use. This was about how to use the mantra for Kundalini awakening, probably the last video of my series.